Hello everyone, welcome to another hunt here on the Penny Hunter channel. Today is a very special day. We're going to do a nickel hunt. We're going to do nickel hunts every Monday here on the channel, one box per week. Now I know you see two right in front of you, but the problem was I re-recorded this after filming it. I originally intended to do two boxes, but there were so many hits in the first box that I'm editing it into two separate videos to be released this Monday and next Monday. I will be pulling out buffaloes, Canadians, anything younger than 1960, proofs, errors, and varieties. So stay tuned to see what we get. Very first roll, we have a 1959. Also in the first roll, a 1941. Roll number 2 gives us another 50s. It's a 1957 Denver. Okay, wanted to bring you in for this. This is very exciting. I have found a 1939. The D and the S are semi-key dates. Unfortunately, this is a filly, but I'll still take it. It is in really decent condition for a 1939. It's not dirty. It's a little dinged, but it's still pretty nice for a 1939. Roll number 3. We have a 1955. If it's a Philadelphia, it's a 7.8 million minted coin and a key date. It's a Denver. I'll still take it though. I wanted to bring you in. Caught my eye. It's a 1970S. Very beautiful, very shiny. Wanted to show you. San Francisco Mint Strike, number 1. Roll number 4. Another 50s, another 59. It's a 59 Denver. This might be a really good box of customer wrap rolls. It clearly was not picked through because in roll number 5, we have our second 1940s, which is also our second 1941, and this is a filly. Roll number 6, another 50s, another 59, and that's a Denver. Roll number 8. Our third 1940s, our third 1941, and it's a filly, I think. Yeah, that's just gunk. It's a filly. Roll number 8 gives us another hit. It's a very nice, shiny, with a little bit of hair detail, 1952. It's out of Denver. Very nice find. Roll number 10. A 1957 out of Denver. Roll number 11. Another 50s. It's a 56 Denver. Roll number 12. A 1951 out of Philly. Buffalo. A 1936 made in Philadelphia. Our first buffalo of the hunt. Hopefully not our last. Bring you back. We have a 1940 made in Denver. Bring you back. Another 50s. It's a 54 filly. Roll number 22. As soon as I can pull it up here. Gives us another S mint mark. This one's a 1968. Roll number 23 gives us our first Canadian. It's a really messy, dingy 1994 beaver. Roll number 24, another 1950s. This one's from 1958 in Philadelphia. Roll number 25, a 1953 from Philadelphia. Pretty good shape on this one. Also in roll 25, another 1958. Wanted to bring you back for this very nice 1968 Canadian nickel. It's very shiny. I thought it was a newer one when I saw it, but it's from 1968. Roll number 30 gives us a gem. It's another 1939, 2 in only half the box. It's from Philly. Roll 30 wasn't done. A 1948 Denver. Unbelievable. Another 1939 from Philly. Roll number 33 gives us another 1940 out of Philly. Roll number 33, I just saw the 1940 out of Denver, or out of Philly. Now we have a 1946 also out of Philly, 1 year off of silver. Still a 1940, I'll take it. Incredible. Roll number 34, the last 6 nickels, gives us 2 hits. We have a 56 Philly, and right behind it, a 1941, also from Philly. Very scuffed up, but still 1940 nickel. I wanted to bring you back in another shiny Canadian nickel. Very detailed, a lot of fur on the beaver. I like it. Roll number 35, another oldie. Another 1940 out of Philly. Wow, this box is giving us a lot of old hits today. Roll number 36, another 40s nickel, also from Philly. We've had our 11th 1940s nickel. Philadelphia, 1948. Bring you back a 1950. If this is a D, it's a semi-key date. I think that's a Philadelphia. Still, really nice to find something from the 1950s. Wow. Another 1939 Philly. Unbelievable. That's 4 in one box. Wow. Another 1959. Roll number 47. A 1949 from Philly. Roll number 47 as well. 1959 Denver, and right behind it, 1947 from Philly. Wow. 3 finds in one roll. Roll number 48, a 1957 from Philly. The hits keep on coming. So close. Roll number 49. We have a 1948 from Philly. We almost did the year in the roll number. So close. Another 1940 for the stack. For 49, another 1959. This one's out of Denver. All right, wanted to bring you back to show you what we found in this hunt. We got that 1936 Philadelphia Buffalo. We have 4 39 Phillies. We ended up with 3 1940s, 1 from Denver. We ended up with 4 1941 Phillies, 2 42s. Oh, I'm sorry, 2 46s, 1 47, 3 48s, 1 from Denver, 1 49, and then a whole lot from the 50s. 50, 51, 52 Denver, 53, 54, 55 Denver, 56 Denver, 57 Denver, 56 Philly, 57 Philly, 2 58 Phillies, and 6 1959 Denvers. We had 3 Canadians. I really like the look of that 1977. Wanted to thank everyone again for tuning into this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, do what you can to support our channel. I appreciate all of you. Thank you very much. Good luck and happy hunting.